New work, is such an important part of the actor's journey, especially for young actors. In some cases, it's the way they enter the community.
One of the amazing things about Banff Centre is that there are so many ways that we can collaborate together across disciplines. Instead of just taking actors and just focusing on the actor, we could also bring in playwrights and directors and dramaturgs and the team of people that work on a new play and look at it together.
For the actors that are coming in, the learning aspect is incredible and really unique.
Having that investment in a show and to see it in different spaces is part of the plan, and that is a gift. That doesn't happen.
The Slate New Play Actors Training Program really is for anyone in their journey, but for me, I found it really helpful after school because we're working with people who are in all different areas and levels in their career.
While here, we're actually able to sit back and ask, what is being a professional actor all about? And learning what that is so that we don't have to make mistakes on the job.
We spend time every morning cold reading new plays. We're often talking about things like using the punctuation, looking at the structure, looking at the language selection. You're coming here to look at your work and to apply and to grow, and I'm here to facilitate your journey in that happening.
This is exactly what I want. I get to originate a character, work on a new show, and develop this skill set for producing new works.
I knew I had to apply right away.
I feel the same way.